Today, we're reviewing the battery-operated floral wall sconces by DEXNUMP. They come shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find 2 puck lights, a remote, make sure to pull the battery tab at the bottom, mounting brackets and hardware, 2 bottom rings, 2 top rings, and 2 fabric linen shades. I really love the floral pattern on these linen shades. I think they'll be just the perfect touch to my home office. Installation is painless and easy. To get started, you'll need to locate the clips on the inside of the shade and then line them up with the bottom ring. Then, snap the ring into place so it holds securely to the fabric shade. Seal up the Velcro backing and then find your puck light. Peel the paper off of the magnet strip and stick it to the back of the puck light. After your batteries are in, place the light at the bottom of the fabric shade. Now it's time to drill your holes and mount your brackets. Make sure to use the drywall anchors included in the box if you're drilling straight into drywall. This will prevent your screws from slipping out prematurely and your wall sconce from tumbling to the floor. And that's really all there is to it. Now I have a beautiful new light in my office to admire while I work on videos. And the best part is, I can use these lights as much as I want and it'll never raise my electric bill. I love that there are so many color settings to cycle through. You can even choose different brightness settings and press the color swap mode to cycle through the colors. And even if we lose the remote, we can still push the button directly on the lights to turn it on and press again to cycle through the colors. You'll love these wall sconces so much they'll have you saying,
"Dude, that's awesome."
So if you're looking for some adorable, easy-to-install lights, these might just be for you. Please use the affiliate link in the description if you'd like to get one for yourself. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Until next time, I'm off to install the other wall sconce. Later.